So the time has come to get some new tyres. I've got Michelin Primacy 4s and they are 255 by 55 18s. And so they were a bit perished here and they're worn near the thread. So I had an MOT back in September 2022 and I was told I had about 3,000 miles left on these tyres. So that's when I had 61,000 miles on the clock. So now I've got 17,000 miles, so I managed to squeeze an extra 9,000 miles out of the tyres. But as you can see, they really are, well, they're this one's illegal. So the Michelin Primacy 4s, 225 55 18s, I was really impressed with them. Well, this one isn't. This one started leaking a few times and now it's just completely flat. So I'm just going to pump it up and drive it like not even a mile. It's like 500 meters down the road to get the new tyres put on, booked in for Monday. I'm buying the same tyres again. So these Michelin Primacy tyres, back in October 2020, when the vehicle had 35,000 miles on the clock, cost me £567. The new tyres going to be less than that, but these existing tyres have lasted 35,000 miles. They're A-rated for fuel as well. Yeah, just have a look at. I'm going to put some few photos on the video and take it from there. So the old tyres were, for a pair, was £283. I bought both pairs at the same time. So that's £567. The new tyres cost me £521, so it was cheaper this year. I got £64 off fitting and a free blink doorbell, and also I think 1.8% cashback via top cashback. See the description for all the links. So here's the cashback, total of £8.87, which is still pending on a purchase amount of £521.96. So these are the tyres on the ATS website. They're not the cheapest, but due to the fact they can last 35,000 miles, definitely worth buying. And as well as this, they are A-rated for fuel, A-rated for wet, really good for the UK because it never stops raining, and A-rated for sound. .5 bar, so ready to make that 500 metre journey down to the tyre shop. So the tyre made it to the tyre shop, still inflated, so that was a relief. Then we're here. So they're all fitted, brand new Michelins. All pumped up. No flat tyres. Good for another 35,000 miles, I hope.